Hello, today we are going to be learning how to put together our saxophone. First thing, you're going to want to take your case and put it on a flat surface, either on the floor or a table. Next, we're going to be taking out our neck strap and putting that on. Remember, to play saxophone, you're going to need a neck strap. It's what holds up the instrument. After that, we're going to start putting together the mouthpiece. Remember, there's a more detailed video on how to put the mouthpiece together on the website above. Just like before, I'm taking the mouthpiece, the ligature, and the reed, putting them together. And during this time, you can also be soaking the reed to get it ready for playing. After this, I'm going to be taking out the neck. And you're going to take the mouthpiece and gently twist it on, and you're going to want some cork showing. I usually have about a finger's width. As you can see, I have the reed lined up with the neck. Then you take the body of the saxophone, and you're going to gently twist the neck onto the saxophone. You don't need to push or twist hard in order for this to happen. You then want the reed to be lined up with your octave key. You want to make sure everything on your saxophone is straight so your octave key can line up. Last thing we're going to do is we're just going to clip our neck strap onto our saxophone. I then have both my hands on the instrument and I am ready to start playing.